Since we have question number 3, second part, 3x plus 1 divided by 2x square plus x plus 1. This is what is linear upon quadratic method. What is it? Linear upon quadratic. Linear upon quadratic, what we have to do is that linear will be equal to a into derivative of quadratic plus b. So here we have 3x plus 1 is equal to a into derivative of this quadratic is 4x plus 1 plus b. Now on comparing, we'll get the value of a and b. That is, compare the coefficients of x. Compare the coefficients of x. That is 4a is equal to 3 and the constant terms. Constant terms here is a, that is a into 1 plus b, and to this side it is 1. So we got a is equal to 3 by 4. If a is 3 by 4, then we got b is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, that is 1 by 4. And then here this thing 3x plus 1 can be written as a into 4x plus 1 plus b. This is the thing. So numerator can be written like this. Now your question changes to 3 by 4 into 4x plus 1 plus 1 by 4. See, you are not supposed to simplify the numerator here. If you simplify this numerator, you will again get only 3x plus 1. We are just doing this method to bifurcate the numerator so that we can separate it. Now separate it, that is 3 upon 4, 4x plus 1 divided by 2x square plus x plus 1 is separate, and 1 upon 4, 2x square plus x plus 1 is separate. So integrate it separately. Now you can see that derivative of this is exactly this. So its integral is log of denominator, f dash x upon fx. Integral is log of fx. So we got it 3 by 4 log of 2x square plus x plus 1 is the integral of this. For this integral, we have to use completing the square method. That is 1 by 4 integral of, take 2 common, x square plus x by 2 plus 1 by 2. So we got it 1 upon 8. Completing the square method says take half of the coefficient of this, that is 1 by 2, half is 1 by 4, make it square and add and subtract. Take the coefficient of this, that is 1 by 2, make its half, 1 by 2 half will be 1 by 4, its square, add and subtract. So this is now a square, b square and 2ab. That is a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square, plus 1 by 2 minus 1 upon 16, that is 16 to 8, 8 minus 1, 7 upon 16, that is root 7 upon 4 whole square in plus sign on solving this and this. So we got it 1 upon x square plus a square, 1 upon x square plus a square. Integral is, I am writing it here, that this formula we are going to use 1 upon x square plus a square. 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a. You know which number, on which number it is? It is your third formula in that category of 7 formulas, right? You must know this. So it is, integration is 1 upon a tan inverse x upon a plus c. And so you got your answer that this will be here 3 by 4 log of 2x square plus x plus 1. Actually when you integrate it here, you can write c dash also as a constant, and then combine you can write it c. So this is 1 upon 4 2s are 2 root 7 tan inverse 4x plus 1 divided by root 7 plus c is your integral. So this is what is the method is linear upon quadratic. Linear is equal to a into derivative of quadratic plus b. A and b you will get by comparing the constant terms or the coefficients, and getting a and b, then just numerator is changed in this, and then separate the numerator. One method will be f dash x upon f x, one will be completing the square method. Put it down.